Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you guys having a fantastic day. All right, today is Wednesday, May the 7th of 2025. Today we have made it to day number 28 of this Miley Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. If you guys have not been following these videos, please go back and watch the first video. Okay, so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. We're almost finished with our first 30 days, guys. And what we're doing in this series, what I created this series for you guys is to earn extra income and to show you that we're going to promote one offer from Clickbank. Okay, just one. We're not going to go to different offers. We're going to promote one offer, and we're going to for 1 year, 365, and we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income from it. Okay, so that's what we're doing in this series, guys. So if you go back to day number 1 of this video series, and you'll kind of get up to speed on kind of what we're doing. All right. Now, if you want to go back to the beginning of this channel, I did create a couple of different challenges that I was showing you guys different offers that work on Clickbank. All right. So not only does just one offer work, there are multiple offers that work with this method. Okay. Now, and you can actually go outside of Clickbank. Okay. You don't actually have to use Clickbank. You can use networks such as Warrior Plus. You can use networks such as Blue Media Ventures. Also, you can use Max Bounty. There's just tons of different CPA networks that you guys can go out, grab offers, and then send those offers over to the Miley Gen Secret system. What we do is we put those together, okay, and we somehow see if we can get results, and then in the end get income, earn commissions. Okay, so that's kind of what we're doing here, guys. Now, Clickbank. Picking Clickbank for this series is because Clickbank is the easiest network to be a part of. You can join for free and get started today and start using those offers today in the make money online niche. All right. So just wanted to show you guys kind of what that looks like. We have made it to day number 28 in this series. So we're just moving right along here, guys. We're almost at that 30 days where we're heading into the next set of 30 days, which is pretty awesome. Okay. Now, if you guys don't know what My Gen Secret is, My Gen Secret is an email service that provides you 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing. I call it make money online leads every single day. Okay. So these people that come onto this list of the My Gen Secret system, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. Okay. And it's our job as affiliate marketers to go out and grab offers that are related to make money online. We create an email, we send it out, we do an email blast out to all of these people, thousands of people, and we get them interested into our program. And then in the end result, we get commissions and we get leads. Okay, faithful people that want to, be with us in this journey. Okay, of making money online. All right. So this is the Miley Gen Secret back office. Just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with Miley Gen Secret over a few years now. Okay, over 3 years. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you it does work. It does convert. If you go back and watch those videos, you'll see. Okay, it does work. Now, the thing about this traffic, it is cold traffic. Okay, so these people do have to get warmed up to your leads. Okay, in order for them to start, purchasing from you or to start clicking on your links. Okay, so that's very important just to remember that this traffic is just cold traffic. Okay, these people don't know who you are and they do got to get warmed up to you. Okay, so I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started, and if you wanted to get started, go ahead and go down here below this video. There's going to be a link right here, this MLOGS True Freedom. Click on that. It's going to take you to the site to where you can get signed up. All right. Now, the cool thing about the My Legion Secret, you can have multiple accounts. You can have more than one. Only thing is that you have to have different email addresses whenever you're signing up for each account. So say for instance, you signed up at the link below. After you sign up for your first account, you can come back here to your back office and you're going to sign out, but you're going to sign up under your own link. Okay, and that's how you're going to do it. You're going to stack your accounts. Now, what I would recommend is at least having at least 3 to 5 accounts to go ahead and get started in this thing, so you can see results in a short amount of time period. Now, if you get one, it may take you quite a while to start seeing results. Okay, and if you get too many, you may end up falling off of the program because you got too many accounts, and it does cost for these accounts. Okay, there is a one-time charge of $60 for the My Legion Secret system to get it started. and then $30 a month to keep the service. All right. Now, what you're going to get in return of that $30, you're going to get multiple thousands of subscribers every single month. That's going to come onto your list, and you'll be able to have those lists, and you're going to be able to send out one email per day to those lists to get them, paying attention to what you're doing, okay, to the offer, and they're going to click on it, and then eventually you're going to start earning commissions. Okay, now I don't want to guarantee that you're going to make anything with this system because I don't know if you're going to go out and I don't know if you're an action taker. Okay, I don't know if you're going to go out and grab accounts, get multiple accounts like I did. Me, I have 8 accounts. Okay, and I send out emails to them every single day. I don't miss a beat. Okay, so if you're someone like me, that doesn't give up, and you're going to want to see this thing through the end, okay, you're going to want to get started. All right. If you can copy and paste emails, okay, you can do this method. It's super easy to do. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All right. So I'm making this quick video. I'm not going to take too much of you guys' time tonight. All right. I told you guys I'll come back last night. I'll shoot another video showing you guys how to send out an email in the system and then show you the results from the email that we sent out last night. All right. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right. So the My Lead Gen secret, your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the email swipes that you're using. Your email swipes may be different from mine. Okay. Now, also right here, you're going to go to My Leads. Today is the 7th. I did get an extra 100 leads in today. Okay. That brand new people that never saw my emails before. We're going to send those out to those folks, and then also the people under that are used to seeing my emails. All right, they're going to get it. They already got another email, guys, because I've sent out an email already. All right. Email swipes is just extra email swipes that are written by a 7-figure marketer. You can go and purchase these swipes. Does cost you $30. That would be up to you if you want to grab those extra email swipes. But for the sake of this video, okay, to keep it stuff less cost effective, is we're going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay, which is going to be this offer right here. Okay, we're going to promote this offer called Social Sales Rep, which is live chat jobs on Clickbank. Okay, and we're going to promote this offer right here, and we're going to promote it for 1 year, okay, and see if we can earn a full-time income. So let's go, and the email swipes are going to be in the Clickbank account. So right here it says master email swipes. So this is if you want to purchase those, you can. Right here is where you're going to be doing all the action on it. Okay, guys, it's the mailing system. This is where we're going to send out our email. So what we would do, we would click on this. Okay, and whatever, however many emails right now, this email is going out to 51,500. Now, your emails may say a little bit different from this if you're just getting started, but if you stick with this, you're going to see this in no time. Okay, if you just stay with it, guys, you'll collect those emails and you'll start, reaching a larger mass of people. All right, so we're going to click this, select all. It's going to load into the portal. That way, when we send out our email, it's going to go to all of these people right here on the right side. All right, we go to our subject line. Let's go ahead and log in to Clickbank. All right. And if you guys don't know what Clickbank is, it's a network platform that we can grab free offers and we can promote them to our list, and then we can earn income. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the accounts tab. You're going to want to create a nickname for yourself if you're creating an account. So whatever that nickname is, you want to put it in your affiliate links. All right. So the only section that we're going to be in, guys, is this make money online niche, which is e-business, e-marketing. And then the first offer is going to be this live chat jobs right here. Okay. This is the offer that we're promoting on for the challenge. Now, you don't have to promote that offer. You can go to get paid to use Facebook. That does work. Okay. Paid online jobs work. And then also write out reviews work. Okay. These three is what I would recommend to you if you guys want to get started. Okay. You don't have to do what I'm doing. All right. Me, I'm just doing this because this offer does have a rebill of $27. So once someone signs up, they're going to get billed month over and month in and month out. All right. So that's the cool thing. So that way we're going to earn multiple $20 payments every single time. So they're going to get rebilled. Our prospect is going to get rebilled $27, and we're going to get to keep $20 of that. All right, which is pretty cool. So the whole idea here, guys, is to get people signing up for this free dollar trial. Okay, once that 3 days is over with, they're going to get billed $20, and then the next month from that day, they're going to get billed $20 again. and again and again and again until they decide to, stop working with us. Okay. And what I found that is people stay on these trials for at least 3 to 6 months. Okay. Which is pretty awesome. So we're going to get multiple sales, multiple people signing up, and we're going to earn a full time income. That's the end result of this thing. Okay. So what you would do is click on affiliate page. It's going to take you to this page right here. And right here is where you're going to go, the email swipes. You're going to click there, and we're going to use just the email swipes that we've been using. All right. Now, I know yesterday we sent out day number 8. We're going to go to day number 9, and we're going to send out this email right here. So just take this subject line, click on that, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, Control V, come down here, and we want to grab this and go to perfect timing. Make sure you got a check mark box in there. Come back here, and we want to grab this body. Okay, grab all of that, guys. Take that whole body text, Control C, come back over here. Okay, you want to Control A to highlight everything, back it out, Control V. All right, come here and either put in your name or management, whichever one you want. All right, and then we're going to come back up here and we want to click on where it says your name. We want to address our prospect by their first name, not by their last name, not by their full name, but by their first name. So you come here to these embedded codes, and this one says first name. So we're going to address our prospect by their first name. So you come here, okay, and you want to grab that, Control V. So that way, when our email goes out, it says like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, whatever their name is, it addresses them by their first name. Okay. We're going to look for where it says click here or apply now. This embedded code, we want to turn these into clickable links. So you come back here to the mailing system. Under every email, there's going to be an embedded code that you can use, and you just want to Control C, come back over here and Control V. Those emails, those links go with these email. The links go with this email. Okay, you want to take out where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. It wants you to put in whatever your Clickbank affiliate ID is, whatever that may be. And don't put in my name. Okay, put in your name. All right, and put in your username, not mine. All right. Click on OK. What that does is turns that into a clickable link, guys. Look, it's a clickable link. We want to come back here and we want to turn this into a clickable link as well. So you want to come here, go to the link tab, Control V, and then we want to take this and we want to remember take out your affiliate ID and put in your affiliate ID. Okay, I'm gonna put in mine. Just click on that and click on OK. And look what that does. It turns into a clickable link. I like to select all and either use the size. You want to either use 16 or 18, whichever one you like. Okay. And what that does when this email goes out, it's going out to all of the people on my list. And there are 2 clickable links in here. Okay. Click here and then also click here. And what we're going to want to do, there's going to be 2 tabs at the bottom. One is going to say send now and one is going to say preview. I've already sent out my email today. We want to click on preview. You want to click on preview. You want to click on these links. Make sure they go to your link. That way you get the sale. Okay. And then you want to, after you do that and everything clicks and goes to your affiliate page, you want to click on send now. Boom. That's it. That's how you send out an email on the My Gen Secret system, guys. It's going to take you about 5 to 10 minutes to do. It's very easy to do. And I just showed you guys how to do it. All right. So that's how you send out an email in the system. We did send out an email last night, guys. So what we're going to do is go here to reporting tab and let's go ahead and see how we did. Okay. Today is the 7th. We sent out an email last night. Okay. Today we got over 1,300 hops, which is really good. Okay. We got 688 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Now, the cool thing about last night is that someone did purchase the program. All right. Someone signed up. All right. We got a free trial. Okay. So that means that within a few days from now, what's today? Wednesday. So we're looking at Saturday. Someone is going to sign up for the program and they're going to get billed the $20 and we're going to earn that commission. Okay. So that's cool, guys. We did earn a commission today from our offer that we sent out, from our email that we sent out last night, which is really good. We're making progress. Okay. So these sales are coming in. I'm showing, I'm seeing like I'm seeing them every few days. We're getting a sale. But the more and more and more these people are getting warmed up to our list, the more they're going to sign up and the more initial sales that we're going to get. I'm very excited, guys. We're only on day number 28. We got a long ways to go. We got a journey ahead of us, and things are looking really, really good right now. Okay. And if it's looking good for me, it can look good for you. Okay. I'm no different from you. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys how to send out an email in the Mileage and Secret system. Wanted to show you what's that about. What is Mileage and Secret system? And then I also showed you Clickbank, what that is, and then also how to check your commissions in Clickbank so you can kind of see where you're at. Okay. So um, the Clickbank week starts from Monday night, well Tuesday, okay, and then it goes all the way till the next Tuesday, okay, Tuesday night, okay, 1 week at a time, and then once you get to Wednesday, that's the beginning of a new week. All right, so we're the beginning of a new pay period, which is good because we're starting out with a sale. Okay. And then here in a few days, we're going to look for that sale to get billed and we're going to earn a commission. And then what we want to do is we want to look for every day for an initial sale. That's the whole goal. I want initial sales every single day. Okay. Right now, we're not getting them every day because, like I said, this list is just getting warmed up to us. Okay. We got 365. We got quite a ways to go. So it's going to be exciting, guys. Follow me. Hit the like button below this video. Subscribe to this channel so you can follow these video series so you can kind of see what we're doing. And I'm going to just leave this video on that note. I don't want to take any more of your time. I just wanted to show you our results for today and how we did and how to send out an email in the system. I'm going to see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.